Hello mga cooking ina or cooking mothers! I am here again in my kitchen. In this video, I am going to share how I bake salmon fish or lax fish they called here in Sweden. It's very easy to prepare and healthy. Lots of omega-3 mga cooking ina, which is needed to our children, especially they are growing. Fish is very good food to our children too, mga cooking ina. I love fish. All seafoods, I love it. So now be with me, mga cooking ina. Let's bake salmon fish. I have a salmon fish here. This is around 1.5 kilo. Look, this is a salmon. It's fresh, beautiful. Look. What I do is I'm going to put our salmon here. We coat first a salt. I have a salt. We do like this. Just estimate how much salt you need. It's depending on your taste, mga cooking ina. And then for me, I rub salt here also. So do like that. Then I transfer this here in my baking plate. Then after this, I'm going to put a dill. We do like this. This is a dill. Like that. Then I have a white paper. You can estimate mga cooking ina. It's depending on your taste of your family. Then, I have a paprika powder. I'm going to put a paprika powder as well. Just a little bit. Then, I'm going to put s'more or butter, mga cooking ina. I just cubes like this of butter. Just a little bit of butter. I love butter in my cooking because as I said, butter is giving more flavor. Just little bit of butter. Then I'm going to put a lemon. I have lemon. I need to transfer this one here first, and then I cut a lemon like this. We slice our lemon like this. This is for garnishing also, so that our lax, this one is giving take away, lemon is take away the smell of the fish. So we do like that. So then, and then I have a broccoli. I'm going to put a broccoli too. We take away the hard stuff here. So just cut in this one in the middle. And we do like that. I like broccoli. So then we do like that. So now look, mga cooking ina. Our salmon, it's look beautiful, right? So now we're going to bake this 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes only, so that our salmon is still juicy, not dry. Okay, let's bake, mga cooking ina. So then after 25 minutes, we're going to check our salmon, and then we need to put a timer. 25 minutes. First 25 minutes. So we're going back after 25 minutes, mga cooking ina, and you will see how juicy the salmon we bake in the oven. So now, after 25 minutes, mga cooking ina, our baked salmon is ready. Look, it's beautiful. Oops, it's hot. For this, mga cooking ina, we check first the meat of our salmon. which side I'm going to try. Maybe this side here because I don't want to ruin my presentation, mga Cooking Ina. It's look beautiful. Oy, 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 it's juicy, mga Cooking Ina. See the texture of the meat? It's look beautiful. I'm going to try. For sure good, mga Cooking Ina. Very good. Perfect. And now, mga Cooking Ina, I would like to thank you for joining me here in my kitchen. If you like my video, please share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! God bless everyone!